Alright, so we've talked about the plans. So you can select a plan here by clicking on this button here. Remember, it's free for first 3 days after creating an account, and it's $1 for the first 3 months. Then after, subsequently, you can be making a full payment. For installation, click on add here. Then select the app you want to install. So for example, PageFly Landing Page Builder. You can click on the download button here to download it. So it's good for customization. You can install here by clicking on the install button. Yeah, so try it again. Install on the app, for example, GemPages. So search for the app, click on apps here. Okay, yeah, we need to click next. Then choose regular page, or choose home, product, collection, blog, page, or you choose a global section you want based on what you would like to build. So I'll choose regular. I'm going to click next button here. Good. So it's just, you can actually prompt with AI to create a page if you want to. I'm going to close this now. Now let's try and install GemPages. So any other app of your choice, click on all recommended apps here. You see a list of apps, but you can also click on Shopify app stores to see all other apps available in Shopify. You can search by category. You can, scan through the app you want. So this is GemPages I was talking about earlier. You can install it. You can install others as well. So you can customize your store based on these apps here. So we have both SEO image optimizer, which is also good, but I'm interested in GemPages. So you can search here for, let's say, search for all the page builders. Alright, so besides GemPages, we have like Composer landing page builder. We have Shogun rather. Yeah, so let's just select GemPages landing page builder. Then you can actually check based on reviews or number of reviews. So install the app you want, like we did earlier. Alright, so you can now install. You can install button here. So install, you can. Alright, so we noticed that we can't see PageFly rather in the app section. So what you can do is to pin, for example, pin GemPages builder, so that we don't have to always search for the installed apps. So click on apps, go to PageFly and pin PageFly as well. Pin it. So now if we refresh the page, you see that they both stayed in the apps section. So there you have it. Alright, so that's basically it on installation, and make sure you actually watch the intro videos once you are done installing an app. So for example, PageFly intro video, click on GemPages builder. You also see an intro video just to get an idea of what the app functionality is all about. So that's all for apps installation. Click on apps, click on all recommended apps, then search the app you want. Just click on Shopify app stores to see more list of apps you want. Then you can select an app based on review, number of reviews, and the likes. Just make sure you click on the app and read on what the app is doing, or watch the video afterward, the intro video.